what's up guys? It's Joe from GadgetryTech.com, and today we're going to talk about a portable charger from a company called Cole. Now, I started with the box the way this is because this is exactly how it ships, which is ingenious. It seems like they're designed perfectly for Amazon Prime shipping. Basically, there's a little tearaway to open it up and your product's inside, and then on the back you have some product details. So the packaging is amazing for such a simple thing. We open this guy up, and again, more branding for Cole. I'm going to take this out. This is basically just a manual. Well, I guess a quick product guide is more like it. It's really just a battery pack, so there's not much to it, but we're going to spend more time talking about the battery itself when we're holding it. And as you can see, here's the battery. So there are, I think, 6 different designs you can get on the website, and when I say website, I just mean Amazon, so I'll put a link in comment below. But it's a pretty cool design. This one's like a dark blue with black on the top, and if you press this little button on the side, you can actually get a percent readout of how much is left in the battery pack. So this is the 8000 milliamp model, which has a single USB-A port, and you can see USB-C there. That's for charging it. Basically the same wire that it comes with is what's used to charge it, and then you unplug it, flip it around, and that's how you'll charge your phone. Now, there's a few things I really like about this, and I also want to point out an observation. So the cable that it comes with is braided. It's not too long, but it's pretty flexible. It seems well made enough, but there's a really cool feature. So let's unwrap it, and let's see. It looks to be about 3 feet long. So what I like about it is, here's the USB-A side, of course, but when you look at this, this is a micro USB in the center that it comes with. Then you have a USB-C that goes on top. Switch that around, and now you have the lightning connector. So whether you have an iPhone, a brand new Android, or an older Android, or any device or tablet, etc., you have all 3 of the most popular plugs covered for most portable devices nowadays. So it's a good investment because you have everything you need in the box. It does not come with a wall charger, but I don't think many battery packs that I've seen ever have. What's really cool though is it's quick charge compatible. So if you have a quick charge adapter for your wall, such as one from Samsung or a third-party brand, you can use that, and this full battery, 8000 milliamp battery, will be fully charged in only 4 hours. So that's super convenient. It is quick charge compatible on the USB-A port. So if I plug this into my phone, and I believe, let's see, yeah, okay, so no percentage yet. It doesn't show the percentage just by plugging it in. Let's see what happens when we plug the phone in. So we're going to plug the USB-C adapter, plug it into my Android phone. This is the S9, and boom. And if you look at the bottom here, fast charging. So it works exactly as expected. So I already mentioned the design is really nice. It's fairly unique because you have this print. It is rubberized, which is nice and soft. You have that little push button again to get the battery percentage. One thing I did notice, when you compare it to other brands, it's a fairly long battery for an 8000 milliamp. And I know part of that is the logic between the screen and the quick charge system. But here is a 12,000 milliamp battery from Insignia, which is more or less a generic brand from Best Buy. It's their own product. But as you can see, the Insignia battery is actually shorter, and if anything, slightly more narrow. The difference, however, is the thickness. Now, the Insignia battery is a bit heavy for its class, even at 12,000 milliamps. But if you look at the capacity, you're not quite, for the footprint, it's not the most dense. It is fairly light and thin. I think for most people, if you're putting this in a purse or a backpack, usually thinner is better, because if you tuck it into pockets, that's really important. So I'd imagine they made some sacrifices to make it a little bit longer, but also thinner and lighter because of that. And just to put it in perspective, here's a 15,000 milliamp battery, almost double the capacity, and again, it's about the same length. The 15,000 is a little bit, just slightly longer. However, the thickness is quite a bit different. So if that helps put it in perspective, again, this battery is a little bit long on the long side for its capacity, but it is thin. It's very light, and the quick charge worked flawlessly, both charging this battery itself and charging other devices. So that is about it. The important thing to cover, this is not an inexpensive portable charger. It is not a generic brand. It is made with very high quality components, as you can see with the screen, as you can see with the cable, etc. So this one is $45 for the 8000 milliamp battery. Not the cheapest for the capacity out there, but again, the quality is excellent. If you upgrade to the 12,000 milliamp battery, you get a second USB-A adapter or port on the top. However, only one of them is quick charge compatible, but it is there. That one adds another $10 to the price, so at $55. And I think from what I understand, all the colors are the same price, so 45 or 55, and you get some choices ranging from white to black, prints, no prints, etc. All in all, it's a great portable charger. It's the fastest charging battery I have, both in and out, and I think it's really well made, so it's worth a look. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.